Hello, welcome back to Bull Bear Logic. Day 2 of my option trading series. Day 1 we discussed about how stock market moves, and day 2 we are deep dive into what are options, and we will discuss more about option contract and will compare option contract with the real time example like with the home. Um, so before we jump into the topic, remember I'm not a financial advisor. I'm making this content only for educational purposes only. So we'll see what are options. Option is a contract where you have right to buy but not obligated. We are keep using this word. Remember this, we can see that in the real time example. And another point you should remember, each option contract represent 100 shares of that particular underlying stock which you are going to pick. So it's you cannot write contract with 1 share or 150 shares, 110 shares. It's around 100 shares per contract. So we'll compare now with the real time example with home. Like suppose there is a home with 400k, but you don't want to buy this home with 400k. Instead you are writing a contract for next 3 months, 3 months expiry from today. And in options we have a multiple different expiries like monthly, weekly, like even 1 year out you can write. That we will cover it in the latter part, but in this today's session we are assuming 3 months contract. So what happens, like two scenarios can happen. So the scenario 1, home price can go to 450 around at the end of 3 months. So that day you can decide, either you can close the contract and take that profit. So there you are not obligated to buy those 100 shares. You can take your 50k and your premium 100k you can walk out, or you can buy that home for 400k only. So you have a right also to buy. And if the home price decreases to 350, which means you are in loss, but you are not obligated to buy this home, but you already paid 100k, so in that you have to give back 50k and close the contract. You are taking your loss and you are walking away. So here you are not forced to buy. So I hope you understand now. You have a right to buy even the price increases, or you have a you're not obligated to buy. And another thing I want to mention here, if the home price goes within 1 day, like after you open the contract, next day it went to 450, you no need to wait till like 3 months until the contract expiry. You can take your profit and you can walk out and close your contract on the same day. Now we'll see this with the stock, how we can compare. So now instead of home, you have now Tesla stock, which is 100 shares. So 400 into 100 equal to $40,000. So instead of giving $40,000 and buying 100 shares of Tesla, you are writing a contract at $400 strike price and valid for 3 months, 3 months expiry, and right to buy 100 shares of Tesla. This is the agreement we are doing. And again here also two scenarios can happen. Thus the Tesla can go to 450. If that goes to 450, if you don't want to buy, just take your profit and you can close the contract, or you can buy the Tesla with $400 and you can hold the shares. But if that goes to 350, you have to pay that loss whatever happened. So you paid already, imagine $10,000 for the contract, then you have to give that $5,000 and take your 5,000 and you are walk away. But here you are settling your profit or loss, and the max loss can be your premium what you paid. You cannot lose more than that. If your contract amount is $10,000, then you are losing 10,000. If your contract amount is only $1,000, you are losing only $1,000. So with an option, you have a right to buy, but you are not obligated to buy. Still, it may be bit confusing, but in the later videos, I'm going to cover even more clear. As we go further, you will understand even better. And do we really get, if that goes to 450, do we really get that $50 profit on each share? No, that will based on your delta you will receive. That delta on geeks we will discuss in the later parts. Just here I'm giving a high level idea. In my next video we'll discuss about why traders use options instead of buying a stock. And please like and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. We can learn together and grow together.